Morning Message, Lesson Day 28, English. Good morning, first grade friends. It's Miss Julia. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Welcome to a brand new month. We're excited to continue with another week of lessons, and we hope you are too. Let's continue working hard as crew and celebrating our new learning. Our ESPICA value for today is empathy. When we use empathy, we try to understand how someone else is feeling or see a situation from someone else's perspective. By being empathetic, we can build strong friendships and caring communities. One way we can practice empathy is by being a super awesome listener. Our question of the day is, how can I show someone that I'm listening to what they have to say? Today, you will complete 10 to 15 minutes of word study, understand that everyone makes mistakes, solve addition word problems, and understand what a letter is and start planning. As always, we're here to help if you have any questions or need some extra support. Remember to be mindful of your small group time. Parents, don't forget to sign up for office hours. Office hours are an opportunity for you to voice questions or concerns about content. Have a great day, learners. Love Mr. CJ, Miss Nadia Rose, Miss Giovanna, and Miss Julia.